Holy shit. And I'm gonna need some of this and this guy. Alright guys, we're gonna go over some maintenance for the bike today. Brakes have been squeaking, so I got some Brakleen and we're gonna apply it to the brakes and clean it because they are getting some buildup. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can kind of see right in there, there's the buildup. You can see where the brake pad has been actually pulling. And you can just hear it in my videos, they're squeaking. Be careful not to bend these guys. Look at all that residue coming off of there. Yep. Reason you do this. Alright, my buddy is giving me 2 saddlebags. We're gonna put these on here somehow. Those will definitely hit the tire. Can't put them on the back because they'll obscure the back tail lights. Alright guys, so I can't put these on here just because these turn signals on the back kind of obscure it, so I have to figure out a way. Okay, I could only put 1 saddlebag on here, but you guys notice, that's where I put it. I mean, it worked out, right? Tires, grill, had them put on my turn signals, got the back pegs, back turn signals, and extended range seat from Sol that's about 4 inches longer in the back, because that's what the normal seat would look like. That's what they extended. Got the updated swing arm. Alright guys, it is completely opposite than it was earlier today. Earlier today, well, like, I don't know, like 80, 85 degrees and sunny. Now it is like 50, and you can see this. This is fog. I am in the clouds. I'm going to meet my girlfriend's sister to pick up some ice cream that she has for us. You're good. Go ahead, man. No, you're good. Go ahead. Go ahead, man. You're good. Go ahead, man.
Thank you.
Definitely, brother. There she is. All right, now we're gonna turn around. Yay! Everyone, we have procured the ice cream. My brakes sound a little bit better. Not too much though. Alright guys, quick update on the mods. So we have the front grille for the light, and then I got the turn signals and the blinkers basically installed as well. We have the dirt kit tires. I just put on this cargo bag, which basically was supposed to go on here, but you can't put it on because of these lights back here. So I put it on the front. I think it's dragging. I think if there's something really heavy in it, it might, yeah, might pull, but other than that, it should be good. The extended seat. Got the back grille also with back fender, and we have the pegs that I have on here too. And down the road, I'm gonna add a few more things, probably a full twist throttle. And here's where the mirrors are gonna go.